Welcome to Shefware, your trusted technology partner. Securely back up and protect your OneDrive data. Let's see how to securely back up your OneDrive data while preserving its original structure and content. Create a OneDrive backup job, enter a job name, and connect your Office 365 account. Select a previously connected account from the list, or connect a new Office 365 account. You have two backup options: a complete backup or a selective backup, where you can choose specific folders or files. Switch to the OneDrive tab and select a user. Drill down through their folder hierarchy, right down to individual files, to choose precisely what gets backed up. Choose whether to schedule the backup or run it immediately. Set your backup destination path, then enable the OneDrive filter. Turn on incremental backup to only capture new and changed files going forward, and define your date range. With that saved, you now have two active jobs, Mailbox and OneDrive, both ready to run. Click on View Summary to see which file is backing up, the source path, the destination path, the total size, and how much is completed. Need to pause? One click puts the job on hold, and Resume picks it back up right where it left off, giving you full control over when backups run. Go to the Reports and Logs section from the left panel. From the job name list, select your OneDrive backup job. The session history appears with the current backup status. Click View Details to check the backed up files, their size, status, and other details. If you need assistance, click Help to access the help page on our website. Here, we have email support, a contact number, and live chat support for your assistance. Download the Shefware OneDrive Backup tool and securely protect your OneDrive data. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and visit shefware.com.